Alright, well, you ready to come pick me up? I'm gonna be jumping off the roof of the hospital here in a moment. I already did. Oh, you wanna watch me commit suicide? Then you're gonna have to get in the front of the hospital because I'm gonna jump off the front. Alright, I'm going. I did not remember that I was there. I guess that's what I get for jumping off the roof and landing on the top of the entrance. Nobody can get to me. Jesus, I'm bleeding out of 3 different spots. I'm right behind you. I'm infected. I can run. Yeah. I'm going for round 2. Wow. I get up to the top of the ladder and pass out. Come on, stand up so I can go commit the rest of my suicide. It's no fun if I don't get a running start, and if I'm probably gonna die sitting on this roof. I keep passing out. Yeah. Yep.